I'm so excited to share our first sneak peek for our quarterly release, releasing on February 15th at 9 a.m. Central Time. So I spread out all the ephemera. The first collection I'm sharing is the Time for Spring collection. So I have all this beautiful ephemera that matches the paper pad, Time for Spring. You get 12 designs, 4 of each, 6 by 6, beautiful papers. So let's go ahead and take a look at this paper pad. I'm going to share some cards I created using this collection. I'm also going to share a juicy freebie that you'll be getting with your purchase of $60 or more. Gorgeous stamp set, so stick around. All right, so we got a really, really cute little sheet here of this pink buggy with cute little flowers on it. We've got nice little patterns of butterflies and these dainty little flowers on this peach color. And then another butterfly print, a little bit bigger. And then we've got this cart filled with beautiful flowers and little butterflies. I love the dainty little flowers in this, and the pinks, so pretty. We've got really cute little patterns of spring icons, so cute. And then these beautiful roses in the shape of a little heart, and then these really cute florals on that bluish background. So let me share the cards, some of the cards that I did. I did Kendra's Card Challenge number 17. So the sketches you see will look familiar. This one here, I did the little carts of flowers in the background, and then the girl riding the bike, and then the sentiment reads, "Enjoy the ride." And I'm going to share the stamp set next, where I got the sentiments from. This one, I used one of the Vintage Girls, and this one says "Sunshine Ahead." Really, really cute. So you get a bunch of her. And in this collection, we have one girl facing the opposite way, so you can kind of put them together if you wanted to do like a best friend thing or a sisters. This one here, I used a Hello die from my stash, but I cut it out in some gold paper, and I think that looks really pretty with this collection. We have a girl with a large flower in front of her face, and then the enamel dots. We have coordinating enamel dots that go with this collection. This one here, I also used the Enjoy the Ride. It goes great with that little car. I have the little cars in the background as well. All right, let's take a look at the stamp set. So we got a really cute stamp set. This is called Enjoy the Ride. You are able to pick up the die. I do have the dies for this stamp set, so get them while they're available. And I'll have the whole release listed as a bundle, and I'll have everything listed separately. So if you do pick up the bundle, I'll have a little drop-down menu where you can add the die, yes or no, and then you do get a discount for picking up the whole bundle. So we have sentiments: hope blooms, bloom with grace, hello spring, enjoy the ride, and sunshine ahead. This really cute little butterfly. The little die is going to cut out your butterfly, and it will cut out some portions of the inside of this bike here. We have a nice little fence, a little Happy Mail with flowers popping out, some boots with some tulips. Super cute. So let me show you the card I did with the stamp set. So I did two. So this one here, we have Hello Spring. I have the boots, the little fence in the background. I brought in the spring gingham pack. Goes very nicely with this. And the summer gingham pack. I think there's similar shades. Either one is going to look beautiful. We have Hope Blooms on this one for a sentiment, and I think it looks really cute with that butterfly paper in the background. Let me share the enamel dots. So these are the enamel dots. It's called Spring Bliss. They coordinate perfectly with this paper pad and the other paper pad that I'll be sharing the next video. So I'll be back tomorrow with another sneak peek leading up to the 15th release day. So let's take a look at our free with 60. So if you purchase $60 or more, once your order qualifies, this will pop into your cart. So it's before shipping. This is Violet the Hedgie. So cute. And I named this stamp set after our very own Blossom. She is one of our followers and supporters for many of us here in the crafty community. We were up late one night messaging each other, and I asked her if she would help me design this stamp set. So I used her favorite font, and then she helped me come up with these cute little sentiments. You've got hedge mail, everything will be all right, and hedge hugs and kisses. So you can pick up Violet the Hedgie, named after our one and only Blossom. So this is such a cute set. So this will be available for purchase and as a freebie. Here's the card I did using that cute little stamp set. I just created some little clouds at the top. I've got the You've Got Hedge Mail, kind of like that movie You've Got Mail. So I love that. And then some gingham for a little frame. Super fun. So I will be back tomorrow with some more goodies. We've got lots more to share for our quarterly release. I'm going to pop in a couple photos from Megan from the design team. She did a gorgeous card using this collection. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.